got the stick. Make sure Zurg's plans fail to launch. Oh, and have a blast.
I'm about to head into the Magic Kingdom Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin, closed back in October 2025 for a retheming. It is now going on, what are we at, March 22nd, and I'm heading in for a cast member preview and check out what's new, but answer the most important question that I have, and maybe you have as well. Can I still hack the game and become a galactic hero with 999,999 points? Are those still there? Do they still have the 100,000 targets? These are things that I have to know. So sit back, relax, and let's go check out Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. All new blasters and cars and targets. What's new, what's old? I'm going to tell you all of it. And I'm going to try to record the whole ride. Let's see how it goes. And of course, the only Buzz Lightyear shirt I own is Joy Fatone. And I like this one better than any one that I could get. So stay tuned. Let's go.
I can't stand engineering.
here. Time to make Zurg change his tune. Rock it and roll. All right, you've got the stick. Make sure Zurg's plans fail to launch. Oh, and have a blast.
God, I have to drive it too?
Outstanding start, pilots. stop me now? Reconnect the power cells! Power! I need more power! Nothing can stop me!
There escapes through the escape hatch.
Zurg steals batteries, but we have the real power. Teamwork. Space Rangers, fall in. Zurg diabolical one monkey shot. Fire away, Space Rangers. Shoot the drum.
Impossible! No one can aim so precisely!
Keep firing, Space Rangers. Zurg's secret weapon is nearly destroyed.
No! My secret weapon!
Green Squadron, secure the power cells for transport.
Celebration! I'll steer you in. You're all rocket stars! Kick back, I'll bring you in for landing.
I shall return!
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check your dashboard to review your rank. As always, to infinity.
There's a new rank on there. Look. New rank.
Welcome back, rocket stars! Thanks in advance for ducking your blaster. Watch your step.
First impression, it's not all that different. It's much more like lit up and neon-y. The blasters are better. You can tell where you're shooting. The targets actually light up, which was pretty cool. But to answer the question of the high value target still there, I couldn't tell between holding the camera and trying to spin and doing the blaster. It was a little too much for me to figure out. But that few targets that I was aware of that were like the high value ones didn't seem to be so much anymore. But the top of the volcano was still 25,000. But anyways, someone's definitely going to figure out all the hacks and these spots to get that galactic hero, which is now 1,000,000 points and not 999,000. So what do you think of the new ride? Will you be back for the April 8th opening? And I'm assuming annual pass holders will also have a preview along with DVC, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this spoiler alert of the new Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin at Magic Kingdom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.